Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing this look which is specially for Valentine's Day. It's a pink and rose gold look with flirty eyelashes and just muted features, which looks really fresh and pretty and a little romantic. So I hope you guys would enjoy this. I actually wore out this look today and I thought, you know what, I'll just show it to you guys as well. So yes, if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. I'm not having a particularly good skin day, so I need maximum help. So for that, I'm going to use Pixi Flawless and Poreless Pore Eliminating Primer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. This will help in my makeup looking flawless and my makeup staying put for all day long. And I'm going to use Vision's Natural Retouch Concealer by Oriflame, and I'm going to apply it anywhere that I need a little bit more extra coverage, and that is a lot of places. So I'm just going to use this everywhere I need it. All in using Zoeva Concealer Buffer Brush. I've fallen in love with this brush. This is so amazing. I love it. So I'm just going to pat it all down. I'm not going to drag it because I need maximum coverage. A little weird right now, but trust me, everything will come together once I'm done with all my makeup. So next I'm going to use Happy Light Foundation by Bourjois in the shade Rose Clair 09, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. flat top brush or the powder brush. This is an amazing brush, I love it, and I'm going to use this foundation with this brush all over my face. Set my foundation and concealer in place with the help of a compact, and I'm using Streetwear Color Rich Perfection Compact in the shade Neutral with the help of this QVS Kabuki brush. Next I'm going to bronze up my face using VS Makeup Pressed Mineral Bronzing Powder in the shade Bronze Ambition. I love this, I have to admit it, I just love it. I've been using this non-stop since the day I've received it. Like, I've bought it. I just love it. I just love it. And I'm gonna use this Oriflame brush to bronze up my face because I feel a nice contoured face is a must. Use this Vivo Blush and Highlight Face Palette. It has three colors, a cream color, a powder blush and a highlighter. The highlighter is gorgeous, but I'm going to use this blush which is in the shade Pursue, and it's a beautiful shade. So I'm just going to use that with the help of this Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm going to apply this all over my cheeks. Highlighter as well with the help of a fan brush, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, bridge of nose and a little bit here and there. Simple but really pretty. So I'm going to start off by defining my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use Tony Moly 7-Day Eyebrow Tattoo. This is my ultimate favorite these days for my eyebrows. It just makes your eyebrows look so much more natural but still defines them so well. I don't know, I just really like this. And it's in the shade dark brown, so I'm just going to use that to define my eyebrows. I'm not going to go really heavy. That same highlighter with the help of this Deluxe crease brush. I would recommend that you use a rose gold highlighter, and you can use that same highlighter as your eyeshadow. Rose gold is a really pretty color and flatters almost all skin tones. So this is a really nice option if you want to do something for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to put this color all over my lid up till my crease. That duochromatic look is, I love it. Next I'm going to take Sleek Arabian Nights palette, and I'm going to pick up Valley of Diamonds. This palette was sent to me by one of my subscribers, Bindya Jogi. Thank you so much. This is a beautiful palette, and I'm going to pick it up with Lux Soft Definer brush, and I'm going to go ever so slightly into my crease and on my lower lash line. Blend out any harsh edges using this EcoTools blending brush. I'm going to pick up 1001 Nights from the same palette with the help of this small angle brush from ELF, and I'm going to make a wing liner which is very subtle because I don't want to overpower the look. So I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to line just half of my eye. Colorbar Lash Illusion Mascara Duo in lengthening and volumizing sides. I'm going to use one by one each of the side on my eyelashes. I'm using this Calvin Klein lip gloss in the shade Boy Pencil. It's a beautiful shade. I still haven't used it. Hopefully it comes out as good as it is in the pot. And I'm going to use it with a small precision brush from ELF. My Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed it because it's not the conventional just the pink thing. It also has rose gold, which is really pretty and flatters almost all skin tones. So yes, I hope you enjoyed it and you liked it, and if you do recreate it, share it with me on my social media. All my social media links would be in the bottom bar along with an address where you can send me letters and things, and I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.